Missing someone.
Here, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm just here to kind of do an unboxing of my beauty club box. So I picked that up today, so here it is, and right away I really like the packaging. I think it's really cute. I think it's something really different, and it's kind of like out there. Oh, and it's got a lot. I didn't realise that it's a love heart because it's February and it's Valentine's Day. My boyfriend bought me chocolates for Valentine's Day, and my mum and dad ate them all. Isn't that wonderful? Now, okay, so I'm going to unbox this. Oh look, points, freebies, treats. Yeah, so every month you get one. I did double check with the lady on the counter. I was like, do you have to spend something to get this free gift? And she was like, no, just come in and get a free gift. So it's worth it for the free sample, I guess. It's just a card. Fallen in love with your new beauty treat? Share your review and join the chat with the new beauty club community. Hashtag Let's Talk Beauty. Yeah, I think I'll give it a check. But that's really cute. I thought Valentine's Day thing. And what have we got? Oh, it's Bare Minerals. This stuff is actually supposed to be quite good. I don't know a lot about Bare Minerals. I just remember seeing lots of adverts for it on things like QVC, and I think Alyssa Milano kind of championed it. I might be wrong. Tell me if I'm wrong. Okay. So what have I got? Sensorials. Skin longevity. Powered by the long life herb. What's a long life herb? California poppy and Lempuyang ginger extracts. Okay. Doesn't say much about it. What's a long life herb? Oh my gosh, as well. Get an exclusive complimentary skincare service for you and your friend. Book now. Oh, it's a shame I don't have any friends, really, isn't it? Damn. Okay.
I've got no friends, and neither do you.
Oh, okay. It's not too bad, to be honest. I mean, it's not a bad size if you have a proper decent look at it. It's not too bad. You get quite a decent amount. It's 7.5 mils. That's 0.25 fluid ounces. But yeah, it actually looks quite good. Let's have a look. So it's Skin Mantic Technology. Okay. I want to give it a go. Okay, so let's get to the point where I take all my makeup off. Here we go. Are you ready for this transformation? Here we go.
And you and you did right from the start. And you did right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone, and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
Wondering what I use on my face? It's this. It's Glow Labs Micellar Water, and I got it from TK Maxx. I can't find it anywhere else other than TK Maxx. But yeah, it's really good and it feels really nice on the skin as well. What I do is my clarifying lotion. Now, I use the Clinique 3-step thing. Yeah, ignore the bottle, it's kind of tattered now. Okay, so this is me, makeupless, and it's time to test out the skin longevity. After cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. Okay, so 2 pumps. Oh, whoa, that's a lot, and it doesn't look like. Oh, it's like a serum. That does not look wholesome. Ah, it feels kind of oily. Is this actually going to be good? It feels kind of sticky. Yeah, I really need more. Yeah, definitely more than 2 pumps. My skin just tends to drink stuff in. Like, I put body cream on. I'm getting a massage done, the woman was saying that she had to use like more of the oils because my skin just drank it in. She was like a sponge. Maybe she was calling me fat. Anyways, okay. Put that on and let's see. Oh no, I don't think I could wear this during the day. Probably best as a night mask sort of thing. Okay, so it does have a nice smell to it. And it does feel quite gentle. It doesn't feel like I'm completely clogged. But it does feel really sticky. I don't think I could wear this during the day. It says you can wear it day and night, but I think I could only use this for the evening. Bare Minerals, Skin Longevity, Vital Power Infusion. I bought this when I was away, which is the Chanel Hydra Beauty Micro Gel for your eyes. So yeah, basically it's an eye cream, but in gel form. It is quite nice actually, and it's got a nice scent to it. It's kind of not so much, it smells very clean, very minimalist. Very nice, isn't it? Look, I'm sure this Bare Minerals stuff is fine and it's really great, but I don't think I would wear this during the day. It really is too sticky and like tacky to touch. I'm feeling it now. It's like my eye cream, I put that on last and that's drying faster. This stuff is just like, no good for like a daytime cream. In the morning, I just want to put my face cream on and put my makeup on and get going. I don't want to be waiting around for ages. I just want to get it done. If it... do you know what? I'll go halfway with it. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Give it a 5 out of 10. But I will give this... I want to try it for a little bit longer, but I will give this kind of like a... yeah, I'm going to give this whole thing a 10 out of 10 because it's a free sample at the end of the day. Okay, so if you know of any cosmetics or anything you'd like me to try, do let me know. I've recently gone on a thrifting trip as well. I'll be posting that video soon about my trip to a thrift store because I love my vintage stuff. But until then, I'll speak to you later. Bye guys!